Let's hear how this thing sounds now. That sounds really good. This guy has helped me out so much I can't even explain it. How's that sound, Taka?
Perfect.
タカさんおはようございます。言いましたね、隠れてましたよね。昨日はね、ドキドキしながらこう、なんていうのかな、まだワクワク感があって、そのエンジンが久しぶりに聞こえて眠れなかったんですよ。
あ、そうですか。
すんごいでもね、あれは良かったですよね。その音が聞こえて嬉しいですね。今日はもうゴールが見えるんで、チューニングと、マフラーをつないでチューニングをそこで行ってもらって、その後ハコスカのチューニングもしていただければ、とりあえずもう一通りはサムズアップですね。じゃあ今日一日もよろしくお願いします。頑張りましょう。なんだかんだでやることが多いよね。タカさんに頑張ってもらいながら、足になってるんだよね。俺はパーツ屋さんに回ったり、今日はタイヤ屋さん、それとエンジンのクレーンを貸してくれたジノ、そのほらドイツ専門の整備士、専門じゃないよね、俺のハコスカもやってくれたりするから、そこにこのエンジンクレーンというんですか、リフトの方を返しに行かなきゃいけないし、もういろいろあるんで今日はね。Gino and his sons at German Auto, they're always so nice to me, man. Always take great care of me. I love these guys. I needed an engine hoist, or I needed that crane, I didn't have one. Gino said, hey man, no problem, come by, come get it. He's a German auto repair guy, but he's kind of an everything good guy, so I like them a lot. Thanks again, Gino. 次はいつものお世話になってるビッグブランドタイヤですね。ここで RS 渡辺のホイール見つけたんで、それちょっとマウントしてもらおうかなと。その方がね、かっこいいと思う。Z に絶対にね、今のダサい後ろにあるタイヤとホイールより全然いいと思います。このホイール見つけましてね、前はハコスカの前についてた 6J なのかな、細いっていうかものなんだけど、タイヤもあって、これはもう今の Z に合うんじゃないのかなと思って。 These are my go-to guys right here in Simi Valley. See Tony, see Alex. Anyone here is good, man. They're nice, they're polite, the shop's clean. Not to mention Raceline wheels, guys, Gladiator tires. Man, they are awesome. They made this truck look beautiful too, on top of what Alpha did with the wrap and everything else. But it's a team effort, and Big Brand's certainly part of my team. Okay, Taka, so you got the exhaust on, right?
Yep.
Exhaust is back on. Hopefully no leaks. That flange isn't very good, but it is what it is, so we're going to deal with it. Are we ready to start it up and do a little tuning?
Yeah.
All right, everything's good. We threw some fresh gas in there I bought this morning, so let's fire her up. It's a little quieter than it was yesterday, huh? A little quieter now, but we're gonna change that one day too. It's gonna get louder.
There you go.
Definitely gonna get louder. All right, do your stuff. not too bad compared to how it sounded yesterday.
Not bad.
And for the last 5 years, that sounds pretty darn good. I like that. Woohoo! But 古いガソリンが吸い、いやもう今やられちゃった。もう鼻がスーッとして。Woo! We got some old gas still in there. We can smell that. It's terrible, and it's going to affect the tuning a little bit. But you basically dialed it in pretty good. It's starting good. It's idling good. Seems to accelerate pretty good. So we're gonna do a little tuning to the Hakosuka now. And we're gonna take that out on a quick road trip, and then we'll get this down. Take this out, take it around the block a couple times and see how it does. Oh man, I can't stop smiling already. Just even the smell in here, it's so bad, but it smells so good. So listen, here's the situation. The car always runs good. I can start it up, it idles nice and everything else. But when I go to accelerate, especially when I go to accelerate rapidly and I push into the pedal, it hesitates. It stutters a little bit. And you know, I played with the timing before. I know I checked the plugs before and everything else. I built the carburetors. It's been running this way for a few years. It's been fine, but I think there's some fine tuning that needs to be done. So I really could use your help with this.
Of course.
So let's move on to the Hakosuka. Then we're gonna take a test drive in the Hakosuka, and then we're gonna take a test drive in the 240Z.
Yep.
Awesome. All right. All right, so the timing looked pretty good, right?
Yep. Idle is about 17.
38 or
we're about 36, 37.
37 at full advance.
Yeah.
So now what we're doing is you've got the
Pump nozzle jets.
You've got out, and they're 40s that we have in there now. You're going to put those up to 50s, correct?
Yes. Yep.
So we're going to get a little bit more fuel going in there. Yep. And then you also adjusted the floats a little bit. You got a little more fuel, and well, they were a little random, right? They weren't set properly.
Fuel level was a little off.
Okay.
So I recalibrated them.
Perfect.
They're all synchronized too, so.
So I got to show everybody, you just gave me something. You brought me a beautiful present, and you didn't have to do that, but I'm honored. This is an oil for the L engine. This is an oil filler cap that is like heavy. It feels like billet aluminum.
Billet, yeah.
That's engraved with his brand, the Kyusha House. This was a limited edition. He doesn't have any more of these to sell, I don't think, but he gave me one of these. And you know what? Before we leave, this is going on my engine right now. Thank you.
No,
Thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Here's the old cover. Now check out my new one. That looks awesome. Taka, thanks so much, man. I'm gonna keep this on my Skyline forever. Thank you. Appreciate it. Let's go for a test drive now. Come on. Yep. Let's hear how this thing sounds now. That sounds really good. All right, let's take a little drive. Let's see what she's like. It's so different. It's completely different, the performance. I really immediately could feel the difference in the tuning that you did. Even right there. My acceleration was never smooth like that. Taka, you're holding the camera, so you can show yourself too if you want, if you're shy. But I'll tell you what, this is the difference right here with this car now. If I was going to accelerate right here, right there is, good. Taka, you really dialed it in, man. Thank you so much. That was terrific. Again, guys, just want to tell you, man, L engines, a lot of people are ready to take them out and put in LS engines and stuff, LT engines and stuff. Like, don't do that, man. Right? If you ask Taka to, I think, you know what? These Datsuns were made really well. They're made with good engines. They can be tuned really nicely. You have plenty of fun power out of them. You got carburation still. I'm sure you got fuel injection setups you can do too. But you know what? You need somebody who knows what they're doing, especially with carburetors. And there's not a lot of guys around like that no more. I really want to recommend him. He's shy. He's not showing his face again. You see? There he is. There he is. He's a man of his word. He showed up exactly on time. What else can you expect, man? That's exactly what I talk about all the time. Work with good people. Work with people who are nice. Work with people who are members of your community. Work with people who are local. Work with guys who have good reputations. Rick from Sonke Blue told me about Taka. I had heard about him before. But you know what? That's a solid introduction. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Taka.
Welcome.
Really, thank you. And I hope that this is just the beginning for me and you. We have another test drive to do right now in Datsun, the main project, but oh my God, I'm so happy. How's that sound, Taka?
Perfect.
Ready for a test drive on this one? Let's do it. It's alive! All right, Taka, here we go. Let's see how this thing drives. Ooh. Got old gas still. Sounds good. Hesitating a little bit. Maybe some of that old gas still, huh?
Smells like old
Smells
gas.
terrible. Oh man, I put some stabilizer in there, but it does not smell very good. But I'll tell you what, it responds pretty good. It's got, not bad. Better than it has been for 5 years. We haven't done nothing. Let's see it. Pull down shit. Old gas, old gas. Let's see. Needs to be driven now, right?
Yeah, just
we need good gas, more some driving it, and it's got to be driven. Car's got to be driven. Nobody under. Do you agree?
Yep.
When people buy cars and just let them sit, that's when all the problems happen, right, Taka?
That's not good.
Especially for 5 years, like this thing's been sitting. Let's see how she does. We can take her down this. Oh, it's getting a little better. I think it's smoothing out a little bit.
Yeah.
Nice back pressure. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She's not gonna win any races, but but I'll tell you what, she's running pretty good compared to where we were 3 days ago. Man, you did good. You did good for me, man. You did so good. I'm so happy. This is so awesome. Well, Taka, the end of 4 days.
Yep.
We got a lot of stuff done, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Thank you, man. I really can't thank you enough. This guy has helped me out so much I can't even explain, and in a very short time. And he came all this way every single day to come and help me do this. I'm really thankful. Thank you again.
No problem.
I hope this is the start, not the end of our relationship. It's been great to meet Taka. And I hope you guys reach out to him, tell him you saw him on Steve's POV. And I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed with him. He's fair and with what he charges. He works hard. There's no BSing on the phone and playing around. He's a serious guy. He's a family guy and a good guy. So he goes by Taka. You say Taka, everybody know who you're talking about. He's famous, I think.
Oh no. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Hey guys, please subscribe, follow him, please subscribe and follow me at Steve's POV. And until next time, we still got things to do to the Datsun going forward. We got tuning, we got some changing, maybe, who knows, maybe we'll put some over fenders on it or something one day too.
There you go.
And lower it even more, slam that thing. Put some cool horns and a straight pipe. Oh, I got all kinds of thoughts going through my head right now. In the meantime, I'm so thankful that it's running. Thanks again. See you soon. Thumbs up, man.